In this video, I'm going to show you how to import a video on CapCut on your PC or your Mac. It's the same thing no matter if you have a Mac or a PC. So what we want to do is make sure you open up a new project in CapCut and you're here at your project kind of dashboard here. So there's a couple ways to do it. You can drag your stuff here, you can drag your stuff here, or you can just do it the old-fashioned way and just go here to the top and just click import. Now you can see the drop down menu here. It just says media. So what we're going to do is focus on this button here, click import, and it defaults to my desktop. So I'm just going to click this video and hit import. And I already have it here, so it's not going to duplicate. I'm not going to have two copies here. And that's it. That's how you would import media onto CapCut, and then you can click and drag and put this in your timeline and just start editing the way that you normally would. So that is how you would go about a very simple way to import videos or media, different types of media into CapCut. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.